Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today's video is about National Virtual Skill Trades Connected event that's being hosted by Immigration New Brunswick on February 6, 2025. This virtual event is open to temporary foreign workers with work authorization in Canada as well as permanent residents and Canadian citizens. During the session, Immigration New Brunswick will discuss the streams which are pathway to PR for foreign workers with skills that will contribute to the New Brunswick economy. As you are all aware of that there is a great demand of skilled trades in Canada. If you are a skilled trades person, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel as I will be posting a lot of opportunities, hiring events and pathways to PR. My name is Faisal Hussain and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and a commissioner for taking oaths in the province of Ontario. So employers in New Brunswick are currently looking for around 26 skilled trades. I'm going to read out to you one by one. If you guys have any question, you guys can contact me, and if you are interested in some other programs that lead to PR through skilled trades program, please contact me as well. My contact details are in the description section. So some of the occupations that the employers in New Brunswick are currently looking for includes construction managers, home building and renovation managers, contractors and supervisors, electrical trades and telecommunications occupations, contractors and supervisor carpentry trades, contractors and supervisors, other construction trades, installers, repairers and servicers, contractors and supervisors, mechanic trades, sheet metal workers, welders and related machine operators, electricians, industrial electricians, electrical power line and cable workers, telecommunication line and cable installers and repairers, plumbers, carpenters, bricklayers, heavy duty equipment mechanics, heating, refrigeration and air conditioning mechanics, concrete finishers, plasters, drywall installers and finishers and lathers, roofers and shinglers, residential and commercial installers and servicers, heavy equipment operators, material handlers, construction trade helpers and laborers, delivery service drivers and door-to-door distributors as well as insulators. So this is a long list of some of the occupations that the employers in New Brunswick are looking for. The link to this virtual to register for this virtual event is under the description section. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I will be posting a lot of new opportunities. Thanks for watching the video and bye for now.